Question number 1.
Ibon, ibon.
Write down your answers. Question number 2. Choose the right answer. A,
Manok,
B,
Baboy.
C,
pusa,
D.
Baka.
Write down your answers. Question number 3.
Pagong. Pagong.
Write down your answers. Question number 4. Choose the right answer. A,
Pabo.
B,
lobo,
C,
Usa.
D.
kambing,
Write down your answers. Question number 5.
talaba, talaba.
Write down your answers. Question number 6. Choose the right answer. A,
Loro,
B,
Elepante.
C,
leon,
D.
Pato.
Write down your answers. Question number 7.
Gansa. Gansa.
Write down your answers. Question number 8. Choose the right answer. A,
Tuta.
B,
conejo,
C,
Tupa.
D.
pugo,
Write down your answers. Question number 9.
kalapati, kalapati.
Write down your answers. Question number 10. Choose the right answer. A,
Pusit,
B,
Sisiw.
C,
kuting,
D.
Agila.
Write down your answers. This is the end. Find out more. Find out more at www.talktagalog.com.